Quantum Jeremy here, Dynamic Martial Arts, and we are going to go over the 8 basic boxing combos that we're using in our martial arts classes, and we're starting right now. All right, 8 basic boxing combos are going to be 3 punch combos, and as a general rule in each of the combos, the first punch is going to be a different punch for each combo, but the punches after that are going to be relatively the same, right? It keeps it kind of simple. It's easier for us to learn, and it's also easy for a pad holder to learn how to hold pads for these combos. The goal with these combos is to learn how to react to the pad holder. So the pad holder signals the person punching by holding up a certain pad a certain way. And really, there's going to be a straight punch with the left, a straight punch with the right, and from there, hooks, uppercuts, hooks to the body, and based on how the pad holder cues, that's going to tell the puncher which punch to throw. Okay, now let's jump right into combo number 1. So let's get into our guarding stance. Hands up, elbows in nice and tight, right? Keep your head down slightly. I'm going to stay pretty close to the camera, so you're not going to see my feet moving as I do these combos, but you are going to see the hands, and you're going to follow along with these as we learn the combos. This is a tutorial video, so it's not about a ton of repetition. We'll probably do each combo 10 times, but look for other workout videos that you can follow along with that'll challenge you to do it more or set some repetition goals yourself, okay? So hands up, elbows in. The first combo, if you notice, this is my left hand. My left hand should be on the same side of the screen as your left hand. Your left hand should be over here too, so you'll be able to follow along. Not that you can't do these combos with the other side, but for the purposes of this video, this is all going to be done with the left hand first. So hands up, elbows in. First combo is a jab, a cross, and then a hook. Remember, your hook can be either done palm down or palm in. It's up to you. Okay, hands up. Ready? So ready? Jab, cross, hook. Right? Jab, cross, hook. Ready? Jab, cross, hook. Say it with me. Jab, cross, hook. Ready? Jab, cross, hook. Pay attention to the details that we've practiced in the past. Make sure you're stepping and turning those hips and shoulders. Ready? Jab, cross, hook. See how I always have one hand coming back to my face? Be that person who always has one hand up. Ready? 5 more. Ready? Jab, cross, hook. Jab, cross, hook. Ready? Jab, cross, hook. Ready? Jab, cross, hook. One more. Jab, cross, hook. I probably counted wrong, but that's okay. All right, we're moving on to the next combo. Combo number 2 is going to be leading off with the right hand. So remember, combo number 1 was a straight left. Combo number 2 is a straight right. Combo number 2 goes cross, hook, cross. Ready? Do it with me. Cross, hook, cross. Pivot those bodies. Ready? Cross, hook, cross. That's 3. Cross, hook, cross. Say it with me. Cross, hook, cross. That's 5. Ready? Cross, hook, cross. Ready? 6. Cross, hook, cross. Ready? Go. Cross, hook, cross. Ready? Cross, hook, cross. Again, ready? Cross, hook, cross. Last one. Again, ready? Cross, hook, cross. I'm totally miscounting, but it's fine. Practice is practice. Moving on to combo number 3. Now we're leading off with a hook. We're back to our left hand. We're leading with a left hook. So hands up. Ready? Hook, cross, hook. Ready? Hook, cross, hook. Ready? Hook, cross, hook. Hook, cross, hook. Hook, cross, hook. 5 more. Ready? Hook, cross, hook. Hook, cross, hook. Hook, cross, hook. Ready? Hook, cross, hook. I will sit a jab. Ready? Hook, cross, hook. All right. So moving on to the next combo. Next combo, we lead off, if you guessed it right, we're leading off with a right hook. So it's going to be a hook, hook, cross. Ready? So hook, hook, cross. Ready? Hook, hook, cross. Hook, hook, cross. Hook, hook, cross. Hook, hook, cross. Ready? Hook, hook, cross. Ready? Hook, hook, cross. Come on, 3 more. Hook, hook, cross. 2 more. Hook, hook, cross. Last one. Hook, hook, cross. Okay, the next one, we're going to be leading with the left uppercut. Left uppercut. So to do the uppercut, remember, you've got to dip your body and get it set to throw that uppercut. And if you notice the pattern so far, it's always a hook and a cross or a cross and a hook after the first punch. Okay, so hands up. Ready? So left uppercut. Ready? Uppercut, cross, hook. Ready? Uppercut, cross, hook. Ready? Uppercut, cross, hook. That was 3. Ready? Up, cross, hook. That was 4. Up, cross, hook. There's 5. Ready? up, cross, hook, there's 6, ready? Up, cross, hook, there's 7, ready? Up, cross, hook, there's 8, ready? Up, cross, hook, there's 9, come on, one more. Up, cross, hook. Okay, same pattern. We're working the other side. We're working the right uppercut. This time it's going to be followed by a hook and a cross. Uppercut, hook, cross. Ready? So up, hook, cross. Ready? Up, hook, cross. Ready? Up, hook, cross. Ready? Up, hook, cross. Up, hook, cross. Up, hook, cross. 4 more. Up, hook, cross. Up, hook, cross. Up, hook, cross. 2 more. Up, hook, cross. Last one. Up, hook, cross. Okay. The last 2 combos are going to lead with hooks to the body. Now, hooks to the body are a little bit of a different beast, right? We're not up high, hook into the head. We're actually going to be down here, rocking those hooks to the body. So when you do a hook to the body, you're going to slip before you throw those punches. So if I want to throw my left hook to the body, I'm going to slip off to my left, and then I'm going to come back in. Boom. This time, you don't get to choose whether you're palm down or palm in. This time it is palm in. And the reason being is we're kind of coming up at a slight angle underneath the ribs. So hands up, slip off to your left. Right, your right shoulder should be forward. Your hands are up. Ready? Now you come back in. Hook to the body. Bounce off. Now we hook to the head and we cross. Okay, so these are a little bit different in the sense that you end up using the same hand twice. You bounce off the first punch and then you throw the same hand a second time. Ready? So let's do it. Ready? Slip off to the left. Hook to the body. Bounce off. Hook to the head. Cross. Ready? Again. Ready? Hook. Hook. Cross. Ready? Slip. 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 Hook. Hook. Cross. Ready? 2 more. Come on. Hook. Hook. Cross. 1 more. Ready? Hook. Hook. Cross. So the last combo, we're going to be hooking to the body. This time we're hooking with the right arm. So you guessed it, we're slipping to the right, which means you dip your right or left shoulder in. You slip off to the right. You'll throw that right hook to the body. Same hand is punching again. This time you're going to be throwing a hook to the body, then a cross and a hook. Okay, so the right hand ends up hitting twice. What you do with that is you kind of hit, boom, and you rebound back off of it so that you can throw the cross. So let's do it together. Hands up, slip to the right, right hook to the body, rebound off, cross, hook. Ready? Slip off, hook to the body, cross, hook. Ready? Slip, hook to the body, cross, hook. Let's do 7 more. Ready? Slip, hook to the body, cross, hook. Ready? Slip off, hook to the body, cross, hook. Ready? Slip off, hook to the body, cross, hook. Come on. 4 more. Ready? Slip, hook to the body, cross, hook. 3 more. Ready? Slip, hook to the body, cross, hook. 2 more. Hook to the body, cross, hook. Ready? Slip off, hook to the body, cross, hook. Okay? And there's our 8 combos. Let's review those. Let's go back over those. Let's review. So hands are up, elbows are in. Number 1 was jab, cross, hook. Number 2, cross, hook, cross. Number 3, hook, cross, hook. Number 4, hook, hook, cross. Number 5, uppercut, cross, hook. Number 6, right uppercut, hook, cross. Number 7, left hook to the body, hook to the head, cross. And number 8, the last one, hook to the body, rebound off, cross, hook. Okay? Okay, that was our 8 boxing combos. We went through them all, kind of detailed them out, showed you what they were. We also reviewed those. So at this point, it's up to you to get some practice on those. Train, do some repetition on those. Do each one 10 times, do each one 20 times. However much time you have, however much space you have. Incorporate those with some of the footwork, like angle changes. So you're not always facing exactly the same way, right? All right, throw a combo, right? Move off to the side, throw another combo, right? Move around a little bit, because that's how it works when you're sparring. You're moving, you're always moving. So if you practice these combos and you practice with your feet stuck to the floor, that's what you're practicing. You don't want to be good at standing in one place. You want to be good at moving. So let's make sure we use the footwork, use those bobs and weaves, right? but practice those combos. Make sure you get good at those. And so happy practice, happy training. Log or record yourself throwing these combos, and please share that to our martial arts community so that they can see what other people are working on and maybe be inspired to do that themselves. Okay? We look forward to seeing you on the mats.